Identify the picture. One ls of a flower. Identify the picture A and B. A atypical stamen, with pollen grains. B three-dimensional cut section of an anther. Identify the picture A, B, and C. A transverse section of a young anther. B enlarged view of one microsporangium showing wall layers. C a mature dehisced anther. Identify the picture. Scanning electron micrographs of a few pollen grains. Identify the picture A and B. A enlarged view of vegetative cell. B stages a nucleus. In over 60% of microspore maturing into pollen grain. Identify the picture. Pollen products. Identify the picture A, B, C, and D. A dissected flower of hibiscus showing pistil. Other floral parts have been removed. B multicarpellary, syncarpous pistil of papaver. C a multicarpellary, apocarpous gynecium of Michelia. D a diagrammatic view of a typical anatropous ovule. Identify the picture A, B, and C. Eight parts of the ovule showing a large megaspore mother cell, a dyad and a tetrad of megaspores. B2, 4, and 8 nucleate stages of embryo sac and a mature embryo sac. See a diagrammatic representation of the mature embryo sac. Identify the picture. 9 wind-pollinated plant showing compact inflorescence and exposed stamens. Identify the picture A and B. Pollination by water in Vallisneria, in contact with the anthers and the B. Insect pollination. Identify the picture A, B, C, D, E. Pollen grains germinating on the stigma. B. Pollen tubes growing through the style. CLS of pistil showing path of pollen tube growth. D. Enlarged view of an egg apparatus showing entry of pollen tube into a cynaroid. E. Discharge of male gametes into a synergid and the movements of the sperms, one into the egg and the other into the central cell. Identify the picture A, B. A. Fertilized embryo sac showing zygote and primary endosperm nucleus pen B. Stages in embryo development in a dicot, shown in reduced size as compared to A. Identify the picture A, B. Identify 13. A typical dicot embryo, BLS. Of an embryonal axis above the level of cotyledons. 13. A typical dicot embryo, B. LS. Of an embryo of grass. Identify the picture A, B.